What's crackin' Eggheads? This is Ashleigh, founder of the indie educational video game studio Electric Egghead, and I am on the 5th month of Thomas Brush's Start a Game Studio in 12 Months challenge, and I'm learning code, uh, and I'm learning the basics of C++. So it is day 3, and it is February, so it is Black History Month. I'll be sharing snippets of our history and of historical figures that have pushed our move for equality forward just for this entire month, and I'm really excited that we have 29 days. We have an extra day for this year. So, but if you want to join in the fun and you want to meet other devs, go to the hashtag 12 months game studio hashtag, or go to the Discord link. Alright, so today, February 3rd, I'm going to tell you a little bit about Madame Effinroy Tenoble. She was born in the 1800s, from 1805 to 1887, and her birth name was Effinroy Usen Tenoble Alamosa. Sorry about the pronunciation, I tried to look it up, but that's probably the best I can do. Alright, so anyway, Madame Tenoble was born in Yoruba land, an area which is now known as Nigeria. She was a major political and business player, and she campaigned against the influence of the British Empire over her people for the elimination of slavery. She was the first Egghead of the Egghead clan, and she's considered an important figure in the Nigerian history because of her political significance as a powerful female aristocrat in West Africa. Egghead, Queen of Ladies, is a title commonly bestowed on the most prominent and distinguished women in town. After Tenoble, a former slave trader herself, realized the treatment of Africans enslaved in Europe and the Americas was far more inhumane than the way slavery was practiced in Africa, she became a scathing opponent of all forms of slavery and used her influence to try to eliminate the practice in her region. So, thank you, Madame Tenoble, for just fighting against slavery, for fighting against all forms of slavery, whether that's in America or Africa, and being willing to realize, being willing to just fight for the rights of everyone. Alright, so thank you for watching my videos, and I enjoyed sharing this snippet of Black history with you. So let's get started on this video. I'm going to go to my Visual Studio. This will be just a short video. We'll be on for about 8 more minutes, and then I will continue on and learning some more. Alright, so before I go, I want to do one more little advertisement. So the music you're hearing is by David Feslian at feslianstudios.com. He creates sound effects and music. So he takes donations, so you contribute, and then you can use his products and support him and whoever or whatever he cares about. That's Fesliyan, Fesliyan studios.com. And also I'm using Mike Danes for our YouTube tutorial, and he's the founder of Giraffe Academy, which is whose mission is to create high quality programming videos or other technical videos for our consumption. Alright, so let's get going on February 3rd, 2020. Alright, so yesterday I talked about creating pointers, and you would do that by using the ampersand and then the variable name. You want to make sure the variable name perfectly matches with the one that you specified when you created the variable. Alright, so let's continue on. Alright, so now okay. So we're going to create a pointer variable that will store the age variable right here. All right. Okay, so today we are creating pointer variables. These will store in these non-pointer variables. So what a pointer, like pointers do, they'll give you the memory address where the variable is located. So like for instance, the variable age, which equals 19, is located in a certain pointer memory address in the computer, in the RAM, or the random access memory of my computer. So let me just print that out and I'll show you that real quick. Just a quick summary from my previous video. So let me F5 to start without debugging. And let's see. While that's going, I want to ask you how you're doing today. What are you working on? Leave a comment below and just let us know what you're working on. Let me know what you're working on. If you have any questions or comments or suggestions, also leave those in the comment section. Like, comment, subscribe, and to get more videos and to just, so you can learn more things with me. Alright, so now the pointer to the age variable is this number right here. So this is where it's located in my random access memory or RAM in my computer. And every time I run this program again, this memory location changes. So I'm going to close that up. And what we're doing now is we're specifying that we want this right here, this at age. We want it to be assigned to this pointer variable specifically. So according to Mike, you want to usually just best practices, you want to start your pointer variables with a lowercase p and then age or age or GPA or name. And you want to keep it in camel case, so you want the first letter to be lowercase and then the second, the word or the variable name to be capitalized. And that'll make it so your variables are consistent throughout your code. Alright, so I have a new variable. Oops, I actually wrote it wrong. It is like this. So int asterisk lowercase p and then age. So this will tell me that I have this asterisk is what determines that this is a pointer variable and not another variable. So just like a couple of days ago, I was asking myself, what do all these asterisks mean? And so now I have some idea. All right, cool. So let's see what else we can learn. Okay. And I can do the same thing with the name at ampersand name. Okay. Oh, okay, right. So this is double to match with the double GPA, and this one is a string. All right, to match with the string. So now I can copy this variable and put it here. And that'll give me a specific pointer variable, which will make my code cleaner and more easily readable. All right, so that I'm just gonna push F5 to start with debugging. Show you the output, which will be the same as before, which would be randomly accessed memory locations. Oh no, it doesn't. Oh no, it's not the same actually. Oh, that's different. Oh, that's different. Yes, I didn't. That's cool. Okay. Wait a minute. That's not right. Oh, okay. No, sorry. I printed the wrong thing. So I want to actually print. Okay. So when I printed the variable name with the asterisk, it printed out the actual data inside of the variable. But when I take away the asterisk, it's going to print the memory location. Okay, so let me take away the asterisk, as Mike did, and it should print out the memory address, which is that long number which changes. And let's see, there we go. Okay, cool. So that's how that works. So we now have the memory location tied to a specific pointer variable. Okay, so so you want your data types to match. Okay, so that's enough for this video. I'm keeping this video shorter, and I will just upload my code to GitHub, which I like to do at the end of my videos before going off, and then I will get off for now. So 2, 3. I think I already have code in here. No, I don't. Okay, I shouldn't. So, okay, and V, Control V. All right, so created pointer variables asterisk example int asterisk ph equals ampersand h. All right, so working code. Okay, and commit. So there you have it. We're learning a bit more about pointers and learning how to create pointer variables. All right, so again, this is Ashleigh, founder of Electric Egghead. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope you are working on your dreams because dreams come with work attached. Alright, so later.